This is lecture number 21, How to Create Bill of Materials or BOM. Trainer, Mohammed Aqib.
This is lecture number 21. We will learn in this lecture that how to create bill of materials or BOM for manufacturing purpose. Click on Logistics folder to expand it. Then expand Production folder. Here you can see Master Data folder. Click to expand it. Click on Bill of Material folder. Then select Material BOM. Here you can see transaction codes relevant to bill of material. CS01 for create. CS02 for change. CS03 is for display BOM. We are going to create bill of material, so we will choose transaction code CS01, press enter from keyboard or double click on the T code CS01. A new window will be opened. Create material BOM, initial screen. Here we will enter material, plant and BOM usage 1 for production. After completion of these entries, click on enter button to proceed further. A new window displayed, create material BOM, general item overview. Now we will click on header button, like this. A new window appeared, create material BOM, header overview. BOM text, press F1 key from keyboard and read the information about BOM text field. You can describe here any relevant information about bill of materials as per your requirement, or you can write here document number or version number of source BOM. If you want to maintain a long text, choose the symbol to the right of the field. The system displays different symbols according to situation. Alternative BOM text, press F1 key from the keyboard and read the information about this field. Its use and procedure. In BOM text, we can write here document and version number as well. In alternative BOM text, we can write the informative description about BOM, or you can write as per your requirement. Base quantity, press F1 key to read the definition about this field. Using this customizing function, you can define a value which is set as a default when you create a bill of material. We will now enter base quantity for this BOM. For example, base quantity of this product is 50 kilograms. After completion of these entries, we will click on Item button or press shortcut key F5 from the keyboard. A new window will be opened. Create material BOM, general item overview. Material, plant and alternative BOMs information displaying here. Now we will click in Item category field. Press F1 key from keyboard and read the information about item category of bill of material, its use and examples. You can read here about stock item. Stock item is the category to manage material data that allows an item to be kept in stock. Now close the window. Click on the list icon. A pop-up window appeared. Here you can see item category text. We will choose item category L, which is stock item. Double-click on the L category to assign it. Now click on component field. Here we will enter materials, which will be used in manufacturing of a product. Enter material number in this field and press enter button. A new window displayed, create material BOM, item, general data. In quantity field, we will enter required quantity of this material for manufacturing a product. We are creating this bill of material as an example, You will enter materials and quantities according to your product's requirement. For example, we enter the quantity of 50 pieces for this material and then press enter. Here you can see quantity has been assigned for this material. Now we will enter more materials for this BOM. You will follow the above steps. You can enter material by material number or you can search material by material description. We can enter quantities in quantity field like this. In bill of material, some items may have non-stock item category, such as water or other materials. So we will always choose item category N for non-stock items. We have entered different items and quantities in bill of material which are required to manufacture a product. You can enter more items according to your production requirement. What is the impact of non-stock item in costing? To know about the impact of non-stock item, we will double-click on item description. A new window will be displayed. Create material BOM, all data. Now click on Status tab and read the information about costing relevancy by pressing shortcut key F1 from keyboard. You must note that if you enter non-stock item, you will have to remove this cross symbol from this field. If you do not remove this cross symbol, that there is a chance of error during cost estimate running by finance department on bill of material. So we will remove this cross symbol by clicking on list icon. Here you can see cost relevancy description. Here we will choose not relevant to costing. Now double click on this description. You can see that cross symbol has been removed now. Now click back button or press shortcut key F3 from keyboard. You can also check cost relevancy status on stock items. In case of stock item, the cross symbol should be appeared here. If there is no sign appeared here by default, you must assign it by clicking 100% relevant to costing. Press back button to return back, and you can check other materials cost relevancy status by clicking material one by one. Press F1 shortcut key from the keyboard and read the information. Use an example about the impact of cost relevancy on stock item. You can add water as a non-stock item if water used in manufacturing a product as a manufacturing component. Check the BOM components carefully and go back to header section by clicking on header button. You can maintain long description for BOM text and alternative BOM text, like this. Now check the entries like base quantity, BOM text, alternative text, etc. Entries of bill of material are completed. Now press Save button to save the bill of material or BOM. Great work! You have created bill of material or BOM for manufacturing purpose. This is the end of lecture number 21. In lecture number 22, we will learn how to change bill of material or BOM with Change Master Record.